Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos in background like YouTube Music on your any Galaxy device. And this is absolutely free. So, let's begin. So guys, first go to Samsung Internet. After go to Samsung Internet, first go to setting and make sure your Samsung Internet is update. First, update your Samsung Internet. After update, simply go back and guys, go to Samsung Internet setting. Now, guys, simply scroll and tap on useful feature and simply enable background play. Simply turn on this option. Now, go to YouTube and guys, you play any YouTube videos like this. Now, I'm going to minimize YouTube and you can see still YouTube Music play in background. Guys, go to setting, lock screen and go to now bar and guys, make sure your media player is turned on in now bar. Now I again play YouTube video on background and you can see this video play on background like YouTube Music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.